how to create a free sales funnel step-by-step tutorial. Hi there you guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your free sales funnel step-by-step. So for those of you who have no idea or who are new to the concept of sales funneling, well, the idea is easy. Imagine a funnel going narrower and narrower. It's the same process that you'll have to take when you're trying to build your sales funnel. It's the same process in a way that you get to narrow down your options when it comes to your customer target or to your demographics. So creating stuff like sales funnels that we will be talking about in this video will help you generate more customers and help you increase your successful sales. So now I found this website right here in the words of David Gargaro, and he has made a quite extensive research about a sales funnel, and he describes it as the steps an individual takes on the way to becoming your customer. And according to him, it consists of three parts. So it has the top funnel, the middle funnel, and the bottom funnel right here. So which makes them different from each other, these three? So the top funnel is, of course, the physical storefront. He describes that as so maybe in a website, it's how your website looks. Next is the landing page of your website. Oh, okay, so these are two separate things. So both of these are two tops or two parts of the top funnel. So don't mistake the other for the other. They're two different things. It's talking about a physical storefront, which is literally a physical store with a physical storefront. So this is maybe like the classical view of a sales funnel. Next is the landing page of your website. This is typically not new to all of you because we have encountered landing pages once or twice in our lives, and basically it gave us one thing for free in exchange of our emails, right? So in point of view of the business owner, this is a tactic to attract you actually to give your email. That way they can send you promotions over the long run. Next is the middle funnel. It involves the part of your sales process prior to the sale. So these are, for example, when people are trying on clothes in your store or website visitors reading about the benefits of your products. So just this is basically like the content of your business, your service that you offer, and this is basically the what can you offer part of the funnel. Next is and your job as the sales owner or the sales manager or the owner of the business is to feed them all this information. All the stuff that is involved in the middle funnel, you should feed that to your potential customers. Next is the bottom funnel. This is the final purchase. This is, for example, when customers start to pay for clothes at checkout, or website customers entering their credit card information to a purchase, to complete a purchase, something like that. So that is basically a sales funnel. So there are a lot of ways you can make your sales funnel for free. You can make that on your own using your computer. Microsoft Excel is another way, but there are softwares out there that lets you create your sales funnel not for free. Unfortunately for MailChimp, it's one of the best sales funnel software management out there, but it comes for a price. But I found here an amazing website. It's called Groove. So if you want to access their platform, just go ahead to app.groove.cm, and this is where you can actually access their services. You'll have to enter details like your email, and that's it. If you have your email, just try and give it a go, and maybe let me know what you think about it. But this is basically how it looks like when you try to log in. You'll see here when you want to create a sales funnel, you just have to click this four-dot button right there, and then you'll see options, tabs, applications such as dashboards, Groove pages, Groove funnels, Groove sell, Groove affiliate, and a ton of more. So what you're looking to do here is try to do Groove funnels, right? So click on Groove funnels, and of course, what you'll do first, according to this article by this writer, is the first step to do is to create a landing page. So you guys, you can do it here on MailChimp. If you have extra cash to spare, you can actually do it here. But if you want to do it for free, you can actually do it here on groove.cm. I am working on a website right now. It's this one. It's called blackberry.com. It's for a streetwear. And as you can see, I haven't really worked on anything yet so far. So yeah, next step is, of course, to offer something valuable. Let's talk about this for a while. How do we define valuable over here? Well, I think valuable is something that I can get out of money instead of like, I can get out of email instead of $1 or $2. I can give out my email for $2 or $3. That's enough. So maybe offer me something that is worth that amount or worth that value when it's out there in the market. So maybe like a discount, a coupon would do, or maybe like a guide or something that people can follow that is actually for sale on Pinterest or stuff like that, and you're offering it for free. That would be a totally cool offer for, yeah, for a landing page. Next is, of course, to nurture the prospect. This is when people start to, you know, I'm done. I gave you my email. Now I got my $3 coupon, right? So what you want to do now is to go ahead and nurture that prospect. So it says here, nurture that prospect. It means to just basically try to make them feel more engaged in your business. So send them emails, tons of emails, and then they'll mark it as spam. Oh no, effort's gone. Just kidding. Okay, I don't know if you can get away with getting marked as spam, but who knows, right? So this is how the editor of the website looks like. As you can see, I've already named the website right here, and it's literally the website that I'm after, but I'm not sure if it's gonna appear like this. Next is you can actually check to whatever device you're trying to record for. It can be for mobile, for a tablet, for an iPad, it can be for a laptop or for a computer. For now, we are editing for a computer, but I'm using my laptop. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it looks a bit empty here. So I haven't really started anything yet. So what you can do is add blocks right here. Once you click this button right here, this one, you'll see blocks such as, designer or block types, designer type, or direct response, wireframe, pop-ups, and Meganis. Mega Menace, which of these will your site require? So let's check out. It can, oh, countdown timers is really cool. Maybe you can skip this ad for this amount of time, stuff like that. And what we also have is a gallery. We can add in photos right here, and we also have footers. Before footers, of course, let's check out what's up in. There's no footer right here. Oh yeah, it's right here. Footer like this. You can add in, just drag them right over here, and then voila, you'll go and see them right when the codings are done. This is, when you avoid codings and stuff like that, Groove will do it. That's why it takes a lot of time for it to load up, but basically it'll look like this. So this is now the footers of your website. It looks like this. You'll just have to edit it. Just click this right here, and then you can backspace, and then you can input your own name right over there. So let me just try to put, just for the sake of it looking customized and stuff. Okay, so I think I'm done with that. What else you can do? You can add in elements. What are the elements that are like columns? Maybe you want to put information or photos in columns, or card. You can also do that. And a lot more editing. Oh, you can also add in a pop-up. Let's try to drag it. Does it work that way? Oh, or maybe let's try and wait for the options right over here. Webinars. Okay, blocks. Blocks is what we can add. We can add in header, the header of our site. Of course, let's try and do that first. It's loading up the options, but basically let me just go random over here. Let me just drop that there. And it'll take a while, you guys. I'm only using my Wi-Fi wireless fidelity. So, it's not really fidelity. Is that even a thing? Okay, so basically this is how your header look like. This is where they sign up and stuff like that. So maybe you can add in here maybe the information about the campaign that you're making or the campaign that you're doing. So that's basically it about how to create your own sales funnel for free. And what is a sales funnel? I hope you go ahead and start to make your sales funnel and start to close the deal. So that's it for this video, you guys. See you again in the next video. Peace out.